I'm here with Reno. We are making a video at the same time. You guys can check out his channel to see like different from it, and we're gonna make a extreme demolition derby on where. Okay, let me create a game. This is gonna be. Just gonna put mobile. Oh, God, this thing gets in the way.
That one word too?
No. What are you talking about? Okay. Just join.
Alright. Let's do the first one.
Okay. What car are you using?
My, first car.
No. I hate you. Crap. Stupid ad.
Well, he doesn't like when I use my first car because it's Max. He has a...
Hey, let me get out of here first. Your tricks. You already knocked the back of it off. I like the Canon one.
Yeah, because...
I just destroyed your car.
Why is it glitching?
I don't mind. I just keep tipping your car over.
Well,
I went way up.
Okay. Oh god.
Did you even get like hit?
Yeah.
What the heck? I didn't even touch you.
Yeah, you did.
Not on stream. Hope it shows it in the recording.
It did.
Not on mine. You before you even touched my car. It's lagging a lot now.
Yeah, no. Yeah, give me.
Your car sucks. Okay, I'm not gonna be doing that anymore. Going too fast for my phone. Dude, it's lagging so bad.
Alright.
There, it's kind of stopped. Where are you?
Guys, I hate all of you. Stay frosty. Just kidding. I already deleted it.
Stopped it?
Yeah.
Why?
Lagging.
Never mind, check out the video because he deleted it. He didn't lag. But I'm gonna keep going, I guess. Maybe you guys can hear him.
I got mad because it kept lagging. That's why I was like, bye guys, I hate all of you.
Stop going so fast.
Can you catch me now, Mr. Krabs?
Just let me turn around. Wow. Get under it? Can I go under it? No. Dude, lagging so bad. This is not a game to make a video on. First of all, it lags already. Why are you trying to me? Don't be a wussy. Go head on.
Did I hit you?
No. Yeah. You made it back around me before you done. I'm just gonna stop the video. Boom, that's right. This is a short video. I haven't made a video. I will see you guys on Racing Rivals video. This is only a 5-minute video.
That's not